Hey everybody, I'm Corey. Welcome back to Blockchain.wtf. Today we're going to be discussing Stellar. Stellar is an open source blockchain built on the idea of exchanging value with the main goal of ultimately becoming the future of banking. Anyone can use Stellar to make peer-to-peer payments without worrying about the difficulties of sending money across borders or exchanging different currencies. With Stellar, money can be sent quickly and cheaply. Transaction times only take 2 to 5 seconds to settle and have a very low transaction fee of only a fraction of a cent. But why have a fee at all if your mission is to help provide services to the underbanked? Even such a small amount can help safeguard the Stellar network from spam and bad actors. Each account requires a minimum balance of about 1/10 of a cent. This helps keep the ledger free of an excess of abandoned accounts by encouraging people to use a minimum number of accounts they need. While custom tokens can be created and traded on the Stellar blockchain, lumens are its native unit of digital currency. When Stellar was first launched in 2014, their native asset was called Stellar. This was changed in 2015 with the release of a network update. Changing the name of the coin from Stellar to Lumen helped distinguish the currency from the Stellar network and nonprofit Stellar Development Foundation. The SDF was created by Jed McCaleb, the former co-founder of Ripple. Their mission has been to make low-cost financial services available to the developing world to help fight poverty. Stellar has some serious advantages over Ethereum. Stellar is faster and far cheaper to use because it has its own integrated exchange, while Ethereum requires fees for a third-party exchange. Transaction speed is an important metric due to how volatile the crypto market can be. Ethereum does have Turing-complete smart contracts, which means it could be a better match for ICOs that have a need for more complicated smart contracts. However, most projects probably won't have a need for contracts that are that complex. Stellar has partnered with IBM on many interesting projects that make use of Stellar's distributed ledger. One of these projects, IBM's Universal Payment Solution, could remove traditional barriers and change how money is moved in the South Pacific. IBM wants to make it much easier and quicker to settle cross-border payments in different currencies. Financial institutions in the region trust IBM to integrate Stellar's protocol, allowing payments to be settled on their public network. This has the added benefit of making the transactions immutable. Lumens are currently used as a bridge for currencies from 13 different countries to make cross-border transactions. It's possible to complete transactions almost instantly instead of the 3 to 5 days it would take with traditional methods. In the future, IBM plans to expand on this program by using their token lifecycle management product to issue tokenized assets on the Stellar network. Lumens will still have utility as they are needed to power transactions. These tools are helping to financially include developing nations with the rest of the world. Stellar and IBM are helping improve the world in a different way with their partnership with Iridium Labs. The Stellar distributed ledger is not limited to just transferring currencies. It can manage any kind of value, including carbon credits. Carbon credits are tradable certificates or permits used by companies to offset the amount of greenhouse gases they produce. And to further fight the problem, funds from these carbon credits are used to finance carbon reduction projects. CEO and co-founder of Iridium, Todd Lemons, believes that carbon credits are underutilized because of how difficult they are to use and how complex the current system is. To solve for this, Iridium will issue tokenized triple gold REDD plus carbon credits created by Infinite Earth onto the Stellar blockchain, leaving IBM to manage trades. This work makes an intangible cost to the environment easier to offset by businesses that need to produce greenhouse gases. Stellar looks to have a bright future ahead. They are currently in talks to acquire Chain, a startup building blockchain tech for financial use, for around $95 million. If you've got any questions, definitely leave those in the comments below. And if you want to learn more, go to our website at blockchain.wtf.